that subscribe button down below as well as that subscription button, or that, wait, did I just say the same thing? Okay, so, whoa. The blind-sided, whoa, that was not right. Hello ladies and gents, what was that? Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Brooke. I post lifestyle and beauty related content multiple times a week and would love for you to subscribe to my channel. If you like it, feel free. I'm not pressuring you, but that would be really great. And for today's video, I am showing you guys how to achieve this full face makeup look. I created a blue halo cut crease, which I am digging, and I'm loving the lashes I'm using today as well. I feel like this combo is just giving me life and I'm here for it. So I like to keep my intros short, but if you want to see how to get this look, just keep watching. Also, don't forget to enter my giveaway. I'm giving away a soft glam palette by Anastasia, so if you want to enter that, I will leave the link to that video down below. And now let's jump into today's video. Okay, ladies and gents, so we're gonna start off with the eyes today because I am working with more colorful shades. My ring light is so bright, I feel like I'm staring into the sun. Because I am working with more colorful shades today, if I have any fallout, I don't want it to be messy. So the first thing I'm gonna do is use primer, and I like to use concealer for primer because it cancels out any darkness on my lid. So for today, I'm going to be using the Anastasia Cream Concealer and the shade number 1. And then just quickly going in and setting that with some translucent powder. I'm going to go in with the MAC shadow in the shade Electric Eel. And I'm going to be putting that into my crease as my first transition shade. Now I will be going into my Urban Decay Full Spectrum palette, and I will be taking the shade Blindsided, which is that blue shade in the middle right there. I'm going to be focusing this a bit tighter in my crease to start to build some of that definition. I am not going to be worried if this comes onto the lid too much because I will be concealing the lid, so that really doesn't matter too much. I'm going to be focusing this shade mostly in the crease in the outer and inner corner to start to build that halo effect. Also just focusing, once I have little to no product left on my brush, I'm focusing on creating this wung out, is that a word? Winged out shape right in this outer corner here to kind of create more of this kind of effect. Then I'm going to be going back into that Full Spectrum palette, and I'm going to be picking up that shade Minks on a very small crease brush, and I'm going to focus on putting this tightest in the crease. Again, this shade is going to be focused in the crease in the outer and inner corners to build that halo effect. Okay, so now I will be going back in with that Anastasia concealer, and I'm going to go into the middle of the lid and start to cut out that halo cut crease effect. I'm going to be focusing most of the product on the middle of the lid, slightly blending it out to each corner, but not taking it out too far. Alright, so now I'm going to go back in with the Electric Eel shade by MAC, and I'm just going to go slightly around the edges of the shadow to start to blend in that concealer with the shadow. I'm not going to go in with the dark shade right away because I want there to be a nice transition effect going on here. So I'm going to put that on with a fluffy brush to kind of just tap it and blend this inwards. Then just going back into my Full Spectrum palette in the Blindsided shade, which is this shade right here, I'm going to go back into that area and blend those shades together even more. Now I will be dipping into my Morphe 35K palette, and I'm going to be taking the second shade up from the left hand side, which is that beautiful blue shimmery shade, and I'm going to be focusing that on my lid. I am going to line up some tape on my outer corner and go in and do winged liner. This just helps me to really get that, like, I'm gonna cut you kind of wing. You guys know what I'm talking about. So if you ever struggle with getting a super sharp wing, I suggest trying this out because this never fails me, and this is my go-to for quick winged liner. Taking a step away from the eyes and moving on to the face, I will be priming my face today with my NYX Angel Veil Primer. Next, just going in with my Tarte Shape Tape Foundation and my Morphe M439 brush, I'm just going to apply this to my face and blend it out. I will be applying my LA Girl Pro Concealer today in the shade Chestnut. I need to warm up my face because I self-tanned and I look a little bit crazy. So I'm just going to go in and put this around the perimeters of my face. Now I'm going to go in with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer and fix my face because I actually look like a zombie with my dark circles today. Don't know why, I completely slept all night last night and just realized my music is still playing. With my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer a bit under my eyes to brighten this area up, and then a bit down my nose to clean up my contour, and blending that out with my Morphe Beauty Sponge. Alright, so now dipping into my RCMA No Color Powder, I will set my under eye with that, and I will set the rest of my face with my Bare Minerals Bare Pro Powder. Now going in with my Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, which I am officially absolutely obsessed with. I will be bronzing the perimeters of my face with this, as well as focusing this a bit more in my cheekbones to contour. For blush today, I will be going into my Life palette and picking up this blush right here. This is Infatuation by Makeup Geek. I'm just going to be applying this to the apples of my cheeks right here. I love this blush, and it is actually, I believe it's their best-selling blush. It is just so beautiful. It looks so beautiful on all skin tones. And for highlight today, I'm going to spray my face with some MAC Fix Plus, and then I'm going to be dipping into my Babe in Paradise palette by Morphe and Breman Rock, and I will be using the shade Get Lei'd. Alright, so my camera died, so I had to take a quick break, and while I was waiting, I just went in and finished off my brows. I just used my Goof Proof Brow Pencil by Benefit to do so. So I'm going to go in and finish off my eyes. I will be applying a quick coat of mascara to prep my lashes for falsies. I will be using my Benefit Roller Lash Mascara for this. Alright, and I'm super excited for my lashes today because I just received a new pair of lashes. These are by the company Chic lashes, as you can see right here. The packaging is awesome. I'm like such a sucker for packaging, which I know is weird, but I'm just that kind of person. Moving on. I am using the style Princess today, and these are such a beautiful pair of Mink lashes. You can see they really have a nice flare to them, and they have nice dimension as well. So these are Mink lashes, which I love because they will last longer than a regular pair of lashes. I actually do have a code with Chic lashes. If you use the code BROOK20 at checkout, you will receive 20% off of your lashes. They are hypoallergenic as well, and they do not test on animals, so the way they get the mink for the lashes is by brushing the animal while the animal is still living. They don't have to harm animals in the making of these lashes, which, come on, that's great. Ooh, mama. Oh, girl. Oh, girl. I'm feeling these lashes, y'all. I'm feeling these lashes. This side is like, hey, girl, and this side is like, ooh, girl, you need help. So now to finish off the eyes, I will be lining my lower waterline with some black liner and then going back in with the Blindsided shade. So now I'm going to just put a quick coat of mascara onto my lower lashes. This is the Dior Lip Maximizer, and this is their nude one. This is my favorite nude gloss ever. I'm just going to line my lips with a little bit of my Sweet Tea Liner by Morphe. Alright, so the last thing I'm going to do is dip back into this palette using that Get Lei'd shade that I used to highlight my face. I'm just going to go in and highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. Alright, you guys, and this completes today's makeup look. I cannot lie, I am literally obsessed with this look, and I feel like it's these lashes that are just coming through today. I am here for it, 110%. I am digging this look. So if you guys liked today's video, please give it a thumbs up. Click that subscribe button down below. Feel free to leave comments on what kinds of videos you would like to see me film next time. And I will see you guys in the next one.